The Kia Seltos facelift has touched down in South Africa. Since its arrival back in November 2019, the Kia Seltos has proven a popular choice. Korean car brand tend to update models about 3 years after they introduce to the market. Therefore, before replacing them with all new version 2 years after that, it used to happen like clockwork until it didn't because of COVID-19, which delays many things. The Trichardt story is that the facelifted Kia Seltos has arrived, but a year later than expected. The 2024 model include visual tweaks to the front bumper as well as redesigned LED headlights and tail lamps. Now there is a Kia Seltos facelift which has just gone on sale. It's got tweaks in the line with its current design language. The headlight has been redesigned. There is a revision to the trademark tiger nose grille, repositioned LED daytime running lights, new look tailgate, and redesigned tail lamps. There are new wheels designs with 16-inch and 18-inch units available. Also the new color. Meanwhile, the Indian-made compact family car's interior has undergone a much more comprehensive update, replayed with updated graphics and a skateboard-style screen that's perched up top the dashboard. The new GT-Line version gets bigger displays for the infotainment system and digital instrument cluster. Climb inside and the Kia Seltos facelift has received updates in the cabin. There is a redesigned interior, new look curved display, and redesigned air vents. Even the entry-level LX trim grade includes a sufficient number of features. Yes, you have to settle for the cloth interior, but yet you get 2 USB ports up front and 2 in the rear, as well as aircon, a 6-speaker audio system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto via cable connection, plus a reverse view camera with PDC. As for practicality, Kia's middle crossover, it sits between the Sonnet and Sportage, is quite capacious. The Seltos rear legroom is far and even with full-size spare wheel stored below the floor. The load bay is claimed to hold 433 liters. Yes, it's one of the biggest bay in the segment and even features a hook on the right side for securing a shopping bags if necessary. The rear seats can be also fold flat in a 60 by 40 split. On the powertrain side, the Seltos has 2 new engines, a naturally aspirated 84 kilowatts, 144 newtons meter of torque, 1.5 liter petrol, paired with a continuously variable automatic transmission, and 118 kilowatts and 253 newtons meter of torque, 1.5 liter turbo petrol, in conjunction with a 7-speed automatic dual clutch box, which is exclusive to the GT-Line flagship. There is also a 1.5 turbodiesel auto, which is carried over. It produces 85 kilowatts and 250 newtons meter of torque. In terms of pricing, Kia Seltos start from 467,995 rand, goes up to the flagship Kia Seltos 1.5T GDI GT-Line. Is priced at 626,995 rand. That price comes with a 5-year unlimited kilometer warranty, which include roadside assistance, as well as 5-year 90,000 kilometer service plan. You can get yourself this small crossover SUV from Kia Makhado. And the likely part, Kia Makhado is with Haval and it's placed in the same place as Auction Ford. All information will be under description. You can contact them if you are looking for one of these. If you enjoy watching this content, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Support locally too. Take care until the next one.